Hello, hello. Okay. Hello everyone. So from now, from today's stream, we'll start with the actual coding of the Pinterest. This Pinterest clone. I have some models ready. I've written in my notebook. I will create a Notion and we'll start putting that there. So I will page here. Uh, just clone. It will be this will work. Okay. So for now I have some models. And here also I have. Okay, so I will have two tables for now. User authentication system and one image table to store. I will call it a user data. Not this one. Let it be an image. So in user we'll have name, email, username, password and is verified. Then in image we'll have image URL, and for this one we will be using Amazon S3 with the CloudFront, so it will be a fast to fetch images. Then we'll have image title, then some description similar to what this does. They have some. Okay, so when I go here and create, they ask for title, description, links. So link will be the original post or the direction link, so I will also add that. Direct URL. Okay, so let it be this. Not be used much. Then board, then tags. So I will add. So what I will do is I will remove this one and we'll create another toggle, another model for tags. Tags will have what I can do is, okay, so tags. Okay, the tags will be here only. Tags default, it will have options. We will have env, nature, climate, and user can add their custom tags. And okay, so this will be our models. I need to look this into much more how it will work. Then what I can say, image can have multiple tags. Let me check. Okay, so pineapple. So we can have match tags 3 tag topic. So okay, you can have multiple tags. So this will be a list of so we will store this in. Okay, so let me check if they are making an API call or not. Click on this. Okay, so they call an API, but the call client context is this one. Current URL, this will be okay. So this is image, I guess. Is right band post is in IP region. Okay, Maharashtra, India. What nice image large URL. Let me check. Oh, so that is this one. Oh, so they are getting profile information here. If I check on update, if I click this one, this is triggered. Response is this one, and preview. So what I can do is I can create another table, and that table will have that table can have tags. So we'll create a different, here it will be tags, and this will be we'll have a title of the tag, then user ID, okay, and here also we will have a user ID that will point to the user. So user can have multiple images, and images can have multiple tags, or one tab, though one to many here and one to many here. So backend is not much complicated here. So for now what I will do is start with this user. So open VS Code here. I have some packages pre-configured, like I prefer to start with backend only, but as a walkthrough I will show you some packages what I have installed. In front end I have this access for API calls, then query string for getting queries, React DOM, React hook form for form handling, then React hot toast for notification, we can say React icons for icons, loading skeleton for skeletons, DOM for routers, select is for select. This I chose because of this one. But where did it go? This one. Here it will help. Not here. Here it will help. But where did it go? But they are also searching. Tags will be global icon. I guess we are maintaining a global tags that will also have a tag, and this will be a user specific tag, whatever I add here. So what I will do is, then we'll have tag. So MongoDB will automatically append a tag tags. Global tags. It will only have a title. It will be a toggle. Nice. It will only have a title. When user clicks on this, then it will be added to the users, that like this one here, it will be added to the user specific tag. But when the user add custom title, we will add it to here. Like if I add where it go? If I add here this one Apple, if I can't find it here, if I click on this, okay, so they are suggesting only, so we can create custom one, we can improve this. Okay, so this one is the image. We can do canvas, add text. I will try to implement this also, like this one. Fonts, okay. Whatever font, this one also. Nice one. It will be a title metadata. Okay, so that is for a future concern. So for now, so this is the project package.json of the front end, and in backend I have bcrypt.js for password hashing, body parser, cause, crypto.env for envs, express, and helmet for middleware security, then JSON web token, Lodash. I need to explore this Lodash, what Lodash does. So I've just added here mongoose and dev dependencies nodemon for running the server. So I will start with wait a minute, I will check what is in env. So for now in env we only have the port number. So first what I will do is I will create a src folder, so we can arrange. Then it will have a API. Then in src only we will have we can have models. Then in API we will have controllers. Models will be also inside this API. Then in src we will have routes, and what else we will have here? Okay, so and here we will have a config. Then in API only we will have a middleware. Then routes will be also inside API. Config will be here only. Models. So okay, so this is models. Then in src we will have a helpers. We will have index.js, and I will move this one also. Like I will open VS Code in backend only. Pinterest backend. we have SRC. In SRC we have API. In API we have controller, middleware, models, routes. Then in SRC only we have config, then helpers. So in config we will have DB connection, and here we will also have what we will have. We will have here a constant for any constants that we will use. For now it will be what const is equals to 3.14257 something like that. This. Okay, and DB connection, here I will use Mongoose. Then in the routes I will have an index route. Then we'll have a auth route. Then we'll have a root route. Then in models we will have a user.js, then .js, then tags.js, then we'll have global tags.js. Then in middleware we will have the middleware.js. In controller we will have auth dot not middleware, controller.js. Then we have controller.js. So the basic setup is done for now. Like we have all the files. What I'm thinking of moving this one or what. So I will move this also in SRC only. And our index JSON looks like this. Express, we have imported express, helmet, cause, body pass and .env. Then port, then we are initializing the app, then setting up some default middlewares, then get request. So after doing this, what we need to do is update update package.json cause. We are now moved to SRC, then index.js, and then here what we will do is app.use, not use. I guess it will be use. I need to check. Okay, so this was correct. App.use, then it will be /API. Then what we will do is then before this sorry, so before this in routes I will create our app index route. I will initialize the app here, const require express, then const router is equals to spread dot router, and then will module dot exports is equals to router. So this will be available at this point. So here we will require, not this one, require, then what it should require is API route, then index. Then if I move this one inside this, I will have two endpoints. Like I have root route and other auth routes. So root route will always be protected. So for that, what I will do is before that one. Okay, so I will do some health checks here only. Okay, so before this, what I will do is I will create a models. That is not required. First, I will set up the route, then we'll move into models. Then not entire routes, just basic working routes. Then move into the model creation part. So for now, we will have a auth route, like it will be API auth, and we will have API slash root. So for this, what I can do is I can use this one. Routes equals to, it will be an object, and what we require while creating a route is we require a path. So your path will be, so for this path we need to move here and do the same stuff here, but instead of doing this, what I will do is router.get health. It will the console log not dot response, the request in response, the response dot send. It will be auth health walking. I will copy this into Node.js, and here it will be root health walking. And at this step, path will be, it should be auth, then it should move to routes will be, before this I need to import both the routes. So const root route is equals to require, because we have used export default, we can give any name, not any name but precise name. We do API, not API auth, and it will be auth routes. And for this one, auth, it will be auth routes, and for this one it will be root routes. I will set up Postman at this step. This is the newsletter one. Then we'll create another collection here, a blank collection, and we'll give it a name as, I always forget the spelling. It should be Pinterest Pro. And we'll create some folders here. First will be auth, second will be root, and in auth we'll have a health check. And for this I will create a env. Before starting that, I will start the server, npm run start, mostly not this one. I need to move into backend, just backend and npm run start. It is running on port 5000. We'll copy this one, and here in env we'll create a new env. It will be for, again I forgot, Pinterest. Variable name will be base, URL, initial value will be local base route is this. So base route will be our API because we are putting API everywhere. The endpoint is API. Then I will close this all things. Simply close this. So how can I close everything? Close all tabs. Nice. Save changes. Save changes. Save changes. Save. Okay. So here is Pinterest, and I will come here. And for this one, this health, I will choose the Pinterest one, and in the base URL, I will have a health. So this one is for auth. You give me what? Cannot get. Okay. So this may be because we have not used that. So what we will do is routes dot for each, move inside one, then it will be a single route. What we can do is router dot use, it will be route dot path, and look file path should be not this one, route dot routes should be routes. Okay. Why routes is not coming here? This way it should be routes. Now it should work. Yes, probably. So the issue is with requires umbrella function to okay. We have middleware functions too. Cannot get it. Okay, so we are doing get new model export and using that here. Okay, so both are should be root, and here should be auth slash, because there we only have to auth. We cannot cannot get auth help. So we have one. The issue is nothing here. What I can do is what auto get auth help. If I try with base root, cannot get. Okay, so API is not coming here. So in base, okay, so I guess there is a thing with the current value in the env Pinterest. Yes, this is the issue, because in current value we only have till 5,000, not the API is not included yet. So now if I do health check here, it should use, and if I do health check here, it will also work. Okay, so after this one, what we will move towards models. So we'll start with the user model. I actually don't remember it. I every time have to look into Mongo's model. I remember some key points. Mongo's equals to require Mongo's then const of user. Because first we need to create schema. So Mongo's dot. Then we will have your model, not model. Schema. And schema we need to define here, and for timestamp we need to put uh time times 2. I actually remember this because I created this like some models few weeks ago only, like for that project, Stack newsletter project. And some suggestions regarding the YouTube, but I guess there's no one watching yet right now. So what I will do is for now, use a schema, then const of user. This we will use to mongos.create. I actually don't remember it. So before this, I forgot. We need to add a MongoDB connection here. So for that one, I will be using MongoDB Atlas. I can create containers, but that it takes some time, so I will just use Atlas. And with cool. Okay, okay, so it is loading. Add current IP address. Okay. Then in databases, I need to get a connection. So I will move this here. I will work with the MongoDB Compass. Oh shit, but it's okay. Browse connection. Connect. Then and MongoDB Compass. But I have already this one. Okay, so this one is of that guy. We'll delete this one. How can I delete this? Okay, remove from here. And Compass. Then I got this string. I will put new string. I guess this should work. Okay, so I got that. Databases. Okay, the MongoDB Compass is also set up. This one I have worked at month auth, then URL short now that I have uploaded, and this one I don't know, and this is also I don't know because it has nothing. So what for now, what I will do is I will add that connection in example. First I will add in example DB connection string, and I will add it and will come back. Variable name is db connection string. So before this I have here created, I guess I'm lacking Flow, Project Flow. I have written it, but I don't know why I'm not following that one. Also, that DB connection should be before, no, it should be after that, this only. So I'm the right track. If I take this one and I need to search, okay, Mongoose Connect Node.js. Okay, this one's fine. Mongoose.connect password, that okay. I have some pre-written code. I will just show you what I have with me. This is the Pinterest one. Hey, hello sunshine. Welcome to the stream. Hey. So you were sleeping now. What did you? But hey. Thank you. When you are free, let me know. I will teach you some HTML. Okay. In stream only. No, not free when you are awake, when you are not sleeping. See you, sunshine. Thank you for coming. Your favorite one. Hello, welcome to the stream. Whosoever is joined. I don't know why this one is coming like this graph. But if I reload this page, okay, so it is continued like that. for DB connection, what I'm thinking is of creating a function that I can call it into my index.js, so I can use it anywhere. Const mongoose is equals to fire mongoose, and now I need to create a function connect mongoose. By the way, this I have learned from Code with Harry. You can check my channel. It's not sponsored by him, but I love his content. Like I started my journey with his web dev course that he has, not the current one, the previous one that he launched in I guess 2020 that I have watched. Then his C++, Java I have seen, then DSA one I have also watched, then React, the current React I have learned from him only. Then other stuff like Mongoose, Express I read the documentation, and now I stopped watching tutorials. I mostly I'm mostly focused on documentation. At end, like after spending 15, 20, 30 minutes, if I don't get it, I start with video tutorials. Tutorials, only one tutorial. So here what we need to do is okay. So here we will do try catch, not try catch. We can use them. This one, so this will come to my process dot env dot, okay, then we'll have dot then if success and dot catch if error. We need to catch it, we need to do connection is made successful, then we'll do connected to DB. console, then I have connection connected to DB. But it should not work because I need to restart the server. Why it gave successful message, I don't know. But okay, if it worked, I don't have any issue. Then okay, so if I check my notes, I have created routes, controller, health check, postman setup, and env and endpoint I have done. Then I have done with constants and then DB connection. Then now I have to start with register, verify, and login one with JWT and all these stuffs. I will close this all things and add a comment. Git commit minus m. Oh shit. Now this one will be okay. This one. I will write whatever things I have done here. So I have done a basic setup. I did a basic setup, then created. Okay, so this first line should be the main one. So base setup, then third should be add DB connection, then fourth one is okay, so base model setup and many more. Push minus u origin main, but push minus u. Okay, so if I added u, origin is main. I need to remove this. So git status. What mistakes I am making? Oh shit. Now it is pushed. If I come now, I need to start with the register one. So in auth, in here only. So what I will do is I will create router dot post, and it should point to register, and register will take a function, and function will be defined here. So to work with that one, what I can do is const register, and it will be okay, I will do a simple console log of apple. Okay, and it will take a request and a response. So I will send this in response. I will stop send apple in then module dot exports. I will give some name. Oh shit. I will use this one. Then exports also. Instead of this, what I will do this one. I will send multiple functions from here. So mark it single is exported, then I will import it here. Okay, now it should work. So if I come here and in auth, I create a new request and give it a name of register and copy the same thing here. It should be auth, it should be register. This one register and send. Cannot successful. Apple is registered. Nice. So in register, what we will do is first we will use try catch, and in error here we will use here we will make the use of constants. So export const of, we'll have some error message, predefined error message, error so message, and it will be error message will be, what I can do is I can define a number here. So start from one will be internal server and this will be first one. So here what I can do is console log of spelling is wrong. Again I made mistake. Here I'm feeling sleepy. I will take a 5 minutes break and I will come back. We'll take a round, like a walk in my house. So the break is over. Now starting with register. So here we will return. So is about this one. So here from here we need to directly return. What I can do is if error, then we can return. For this one we can use a package. So if I send a package.json, I don't have that one, so I will do npm http status. We'll do some research on that one. This is something like for this one switch protocol. I have installed this HTTP where that one is. This one is fine. And here what I can do is res.status. It should be http status dot internal server error and dot json. I will do is what I'm thinking of doing is I don't know why I'm feeling I need to be active to do streaming. Hello Rohan bhai. अरे सैमुअल भाई सैमुअल वाओ हेलो मैं भी सोच ही रहा था बंद कर दो, मेरे को पता नहीं बोर हो रहा था. रुको मैं डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन करता हूँ अपना. अच्छा म्यूजिक बदलूँ, कौन सा वाला रखूँ फिर? डिफ़ॉल्ट वाला है कैसी? हाँ मैं वही सोच ही रहा था बट वही क्या करूँ. नहीं आज सुबह मैंने उस पर बोल नहीं सकता, सुबह मैंने काम तमाम कर दिया उसका. अच्छा था ये ऑप्शन तो इसे. एक क्या लिखा है? ओहो जानती आज मतलब आज आप कोडिंग करते तो भी इसका मैं वर्क्स पे शेयर करता हूँ. तुम लॉगिन बनाओ, मैं रजिस्टर बनाता हूँ. कल करते आज सोने जा रहा था. अच्छा हाँ ना सर्दी हो रहा था. ठीक है भाई ध्यान रखो, दवाई खा लो सही से कोई टाइम से. सर्दी का ही चल रहा है सारा बहुत ही सब. दीपा जी वैलो बंद कर दिए क्या? Thank